Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I would like to share with you 3 items I picked up from Sephora. These are the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fairy Balm Shimmer Powders. I picked them up in Copper Chill, in Rosé on Ice, and 24 Cray. So let me read what these are about, because I do love a good highlight. So these are on Sephora's website. It says, it's a loose all-over highlighting powder in 3 shades for all skin tones, and they're only available online. These are free of parabens and phthalates, and this product is also cruelty-free. Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder is the same smooth, hyper-reflective shimmer that comes pre-packed in Fairy Balm Glittering Pom-Pom, now housed in a loose powder pot for precision and payoff. Pack this prismatic sparkle onto your face, eyes, and body. Each shade features the same irresistible vanilla coconut scent. They had me at vanilla. So let's go ahead and look at them. So let me just say, because, so the 24 Cray is the shimmering gold. Let's open it. I'm gonna be a savage and just rip the box open. Ooh. Now, Rihanna does packaging well. Look at that. This is a rose gold cover and a plastic bottom, and there's the powder on it. It's just pretty. So you open it, and then it has those little holes for the powder to sift through. Let me go ahead and open that up. Okay, so first let me just take what's on, if I can do that. No, I can't. Let's see if I can just take some on my hand. Leave it to me to get way too much on my hand. But that's okay. We're going to grab some, and we're going to, oh, that is pretty. So I'm just going to rub it on my hand first. Look at that. That is gold. So I'm just going to take a little and dab it on my, whoa. Do you see that? Yeah, that's gold. So that is 24K. Yeah, that is hyper reflective. I would tell you to use, I have heavy hands, so I would tell you to use a light hand. Okay, so then let's go with Rosé on Ice. It doesn't have a scent. Whoops. Hope I didn't get any on my nose. Rosé on Ice seems to be more of a pinkish. Again, same beautiful, beautiful packaging. Oh yeah, this is a beautiful pink. Or rose gold. Oh, it's gorgeous. So I'll just take a little. Even that I can't do, take out a little. Okay. we're going to use a different brush. And here comes the worst swatcher in the world. And there it is. Let me just do this. Maybe that'll be better. I don't think you can see that properly. Let's get a little bit more. Oh, it is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now you should be able to see. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. There it is. Stunning, isn't it? That is pretty. Rose gold or rosé on ice and 24 cray. Stunning. I think the 24K I think would be beautiful on all skin types, but I think it would be just gorgeous on deep chocolate rich skin. This rose gold will be beautiful on medium skin tone. It's, again, I'm not a makeup artist, but you can do whatever you want with this. You can put this on your eyes, you can put it on your cheeks, you can use this as blush, you can put it on your décolleté. You can do whatever you'd like with these because there are no rules. I don't believe in rules anyway. You can do whatever you want. It's your money that bought it, so you do whatever you want. I thought I loved 24K. Here is, gosh, Copper Chill. Again, these would look good on any skin tone. Look at that color. This is better for my deep sisters, my deep, beautiful, rich mocha chocolate sisters. This is the one for you. I misspoke earlier. So there you go. I'm gonna take out a little bit. There it is. This, do you see that? Do you see how that looks wet? And just that sheen is totally just mesmerizing and beautiful and ethereal. Just gorgeous. Here is the deep one. Here's 24K. And here is here is rosé on ice. These are absolutely stunning. That is Copper Chill. That is going to be, oh, I'm definitely going to be using this for Christmas. That is gorgeous. This one right here, this rosé. Oh. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. They are so soft. There's nothing chunky. Oh, that's stunning. There's nothing chunky about it. That will make your lips look, just dab it in whichever one you choose. Because I'm wearing nude, this is my first time ever wearing a nude lipstick. By doing this in the center of your lips, it brings the focus to your lips and makes it look fuller and kissable and just sexy. Ooh, stop looking at yourself, Pauline. That's enough. Okay, one last time. Oh, that's sexy. Oh my God, these you have got. You have got to pick these up. These are perfect for the holidays. These are perfect for New Year's. If you want to really bring in 2019 with a splash, with a bang, pick these up. Pick these up. These will elevate your outfit. This is elevate. You put this on your shoulders if you're wearing an off-the-shoulder top or dress. You can just dust these on your shoulder. Oh my God, you are going to look stunning. You can also dip it in the middle, in the center of your lips. Use it as your highlight. You can use it on your eyes. Use it as a blush if you choose to. A shimmering blush. Multi-uses for these beautiful, beautiful highlighters. I absolutely love it, and I'm always going to support my fellow island sister. She's Bajan, she's from Barbados. I'm Jamaican. Island girls stick together. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know, would you wear it? And if you don't, if you wouldn't, or if highlighters are not your thing, that's okay too. Just tell me why. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and click the like button. Until next time, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, pay it forward. Bye-bye.